Welcome back to another video. So let's take a look at the following, how we can convert the mesh obtained within Vizcom. And this will be a case study. I have over here SUV car, as you can see, a 4x4 rugged terrain. Now this will be the model that was generated. So the model is quite well defined. If I want to export this, I will go over here and I will export this as an OBJ. I can also go with a GLB file, but usually if you want to take this within a CAD software, most likely you're going to use OBJ. So either that will be Fusion, CATIA, or so on. Now, I already have that model downloaded, and let's start analyze the mesh within Blender. So I'm going to delete the default cube and camera and light. I will go to import. The file format will be OBJ, and within my download folder, I'm going to search for the model. So this will be smooth generated model. We see the file size 13.8 megabytes, and I'm going to hit import. We're going to have the model loaded over here. In this case, the texture is not linked, so if I will download the GLB file, I will also have the texture linked directly. So let's take a look at that quite fast. So download GLB file. Vizcom should now start exporting this, as we can see. And we already have it downloaded. So I'm going to go within Blender, go to File, Import, GLB. Within the download section on the bottom, we should have the model. So this is it. I'm going to hit import. And as you can see, that will be perfectly overlapped to the OBJ file. And if I will label a texture, that will be directly embedded. Within the OBJ, we need to have that assigned. So we can still use the OBJ. Now, if I will also enable the wireframe, we're going to see that the wireframe will look like this. So in this case, it will be identical to the GLB file and to the OBJ file. But most likely this is made from triangles, as we can see. And it would be good to have it converted to quads in order to work with that. So in order to have this converted, I will select the model, which is this one. I'm going to press Tab to go within edit mode. And if I will press F3, this will give me the search. And over here for the face, we see this will be triangles to quads. And we need to convert this. And as you can see, if I'm going to press A in order to select everything, I'm going to convert this. We see that all those triangles have been converted within quads. So if I'm going to press Tab, that will leave the mesh editing, and now we have it defined like this. And a mesh that is made from quads will be easier to work with. But overall, we see that the model doesn't have a perfect symmetry. So it's quite good over here for the mirrors and so, but over here for the front of the car, we're going to see that there will be some changes. But I highly recommend that you will have the model converted like this from triangle to quads, and only afterwards start working on it. So within a future video, we're going to have this transferred to Fusion and also to CATIA, and we're going to start working using this as a reference. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.